all made possible by the vision of an extraordinary leader. I call my mentor श्री शरद चंद्र पवार। वे प्रगति, परिवर्तन और असीम संभावनाओं के जीवंत प्रतीक बन जाते हैं। And Baramati stands as a symbol. Thank you for inviting me on this momentous occasion. This inauguration of the Vidya Pratishthan Sharad Chandra Pawar Artificial Intelligence Center of Excellence is indeed a historic moment, and it is an honor to be here. दुनिया भर में कुछ ऐसे स्थान होते हैं जो केवल नक्शे पर बिंदु नहीं होते, वे प्रगति, परिवर्तन और असीम संभावनाओं के जीवंत प्रतीक बन जाते हैं। And Baramati stands as a symbol of one such transformation. With a limitless potential, all made possible by the vision of an extraordinary leader, I call my mentor Shri Sharad Chandra Pawar. My dear friends, I have been blessed to have known Pawar Sahib for almost more than 3 decades. And what I have learned from him has no parallel. But beyond knowledge, it is his wisdom, his affection, and his deep empathy that leaves the strongest imprint. That is why, for me, he has always been a mentor in the truest sense. Having visited Baramati dozens of times, I can say with absolute conviction that what Pawar Sahib has achieved here goes beyond just local development. By transforming agriculture, strengthening cooperatives, encouraging entrepreneurships, building educational institutions, establishing industry policy, and doing so in an unparalleled, integrated manner, Pawar Sahib has turned Baramati into a living blueprint for the whole of Bharat to learn from. But then, as I look back, Baramati for Pawar Sahib was never an exception. It was a reflection on how he thought about the direction Bharat should be taking. In his role as a national leader, Pawar Sahib has shaped our nation's agriculture policy, food security, cooperative institutions, and a rural economy, and did so at a critical moment when the nation needed both stability and a reform. Whether as the Chief Minister, Union Minister, or going across party lines, Pawar Sahib's leadership has always reflected a rare ability to balance ground realities with the national agenda. Leaders like him remind us that good politics is not about slogans. It is about understanding that a nation does not rise through isolated victories, but through the steady alignments of its people, its institutions, and its regions. When farmers are empowered, markets stabilize. When institutions are trusted, policies endure. When entrepreneurship is enabled, jobs are created. And when regions are strengthened, the nation stands taller. And today, as would be expected, the leader would transform Baramati's soil, now looks to, yet again, transform its future.